Walk-in tub installation in Mobile, Alabama, offers numerous benefits for those seeking enhanced bathroom safety and accessibility. With a focus on senior bathtub solutions and ADA-compliant tubs, mobile residents can enjoy peace of mind and improved mobility. Our walk-in tub installation mobile experts specialize in creating mobility-friendly bathrooms that cater to individual needs. Bathtub replacement in Mobile, Alabama, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their bathroom space. Whether you're interested in a tub-to-shower conversion or a complete bathroom renovation, our team provides top-notch walk-in tub installation mobile services. Custom bathtub installation in Mobile, Alabama, ensures that your new bathtub fits perfectly into your existing bathroom layout. Accessible bathroom design in Mobile, Alabama, is essential for those with limited mobility. Our bathroom modification services focus on creating easy-access tubs and walk-in tub options that enhance bathroom accessibility. With our expertise in walk-in tub installation mobile, we can tailor your bathroom to meet your specific needs and preferences. Hydrotherapy tubs in Mobile, Alabama, offer therapeutic benefits that can improve overall well-being. These tubs are perfect for those seeking relaxation and relief from muscle tension. Our bathroom safety solutions in Mobile ensure that your hydrotherapy tub is installed with the utmost care and precision. With our walk-in tub installation mobile services, you can enjoy a safe and soothing bathing experience. Bathtub remodeling in Mobile is an excellent way to refresh your bathroom's appearance and functionality. Our tub installation professionals in Mobile, Alabama, are skilled in bathtub upgrades and can transform your space with modern, stylish designs. From bathtub safety features to walk-in tub benefits, our walk-in tub installation mobile team covers all aspects of bathroom renovation. Senior bathtub solutions in Mobile focus on providing safe and accessible bathing options for the elderly. Our walk-in tub installation mobile features include non-slip surfaces, grab bars, and low step-in heights to ensure maximum safety. With our expertise in bathroom accessibility, we create environments that promote independence and comfort. Bathroom renovation in Mobile, Alabama, is a comprehensive process that involves careful planning and execution. Our walk-in tub installation mobile experts are dedicated to delivering high-quality results that meet your expectations. Whether you're interested in bathtub accessibility or bathroom modification, we have the skills and experience to bring your vision to life. Walk-in tub options in Mobile, Alabama, are designed to cater to a variety of needs and preferences. From luxurious hydrotherapy tubs to practical easy-access tubs, our selection ensures that you find the perfect fit for your bathroom. Our walk-in tub installation mobile services allow you to personalize your tub to match your style and requirements. Bathroom safety solutions in Mobile are crucial for preventing accidents and ensuring a secure bathing environment. Our team specializes in installing ADA-compliant tubs and other safety features that enhance bathtub safety. With our focus on walk-in tub installation mobile, we create spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Tub installation services in Mobile are essential for those looking to improve their bathroom's functionality and appearance. Our walk-in tub installation mobile professionals are experienced in all aspects of bathtub installation, from initial consultation to final touches. With our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, we ensure a seamless and stress-free experience. Walk-in tub installation in Mobile, Alabama, offers numerous benefits for those seeking enhanced bathroom safety and accessibility. With a focus on senior bathtub solutions, these installations provide easy access tubs that cater to mobility-friendly bathrooms. Walk-in tub installation mobile features such as hydrotherapy options and ADA-compliant tubs ensure a comfortable and safe bathing experience. Bathtub replacement in Mobile, Alabama, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their bathroom spaces. Custom bathtub installation services offer a range of bathtub customization options, allowing for a personalized touch. Our walk-in tub installation mobile experts provide professional services to ensure a seamless transition from old to new. Accessible bathroom design in Mobile, Alabama, is essential for creating a safe and functional space for all users. Bathroom safety solutions, including bathtub accessibility and bathroom modification, are crucial for those with limited mobility. Walk-in tub installation mobile services, such as tub-to-shower conversion, offer a practical solution for enhancing bathroom accessibility. Bathroom renovation in Mobile, Alabama, often includes bathtub remodeling and upgrades to improve both aesthetics and functionality. Walk-in tub installation mobile professionals specialize in creating mobility-friendly bathrooms that cater to the needs of all users. Bathtub safety is a top priority, with options for easy access tubs and walk-in tub benefits. Hydrotherapy tubs in Mobile, Alabama, provide therapeutic benefits for users seeking relaxation and pain relief. These tubs are a popular choice for those interested in senior bathtub solutions and accessible bathroom design. Walk-in tub installation mobile options offer a variety of features to enhance the bathing experience. Bathroom accessibility in mobile is a key consideration for homeowners looking to improve their living spaces. Walk-in tub installation mobile services focus on creating accessible and safe environments. Bathtub customization options allow for a tailored approach to bathroom design, ensuring that all needs are met.